The OnePlus Open 2 is set to redefine the foldable smartphone experience with its large 8.0-inch AMOLED display, powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, and versatile triple camera system. Designed for power users, multitaskers, and photography enthusiasts, this device delivers an exceptional blend of innovation, performance, and premium design. The OnePlus Open 2 boasts a massive 8.0-inch LTPO3 FlexiFluid AMOLED display, making it one of the largest foldable screens in the industry. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, you can expect buttery smooth scrolling, fluid animations, and a responsive touch experience. The AMOLED panel offers rich colors, deep blacks, and HDR10+ support, ensuring that movies, games, and web browsing look absolutely stunning. Whether you're multitasking, editing photos, or gaming, the OnePlus Open 2's expansive display makes everything feel seamless and immersive. On the cover screen, OnePlus has included a 6.3-inch AMOLED panel, providing a compact and convenient way to check notifications, reply to messages, or take quick photos without unfolding the device. At the core of the OnePlus Open 2 is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, one of the most powerful processors available. Paired with up to 16 GB of RAM, this device is built for power-hungry applications, ensuring lag-free performance across gaming, video editing, and multitasking. The Snapdragon 8 Elite delivers exceptional power efficiency, ensuring that you can enjoy top-tier performance without excessive battery drain. Combined with AI-driven optimizations, this chipset offers improved cooling and sustained performance, making it perfect for users who demand speed and reliability. OnePlus has packed the Open 2 with a powerful triple camera system, making it a great option for photography lovers and content creators. 50MP main sensor. The large sensor captures detailed, crisp images with natural colors and excellent dynamic range. Whether you're shooting in bright daylight or low light, this camera ensures top-tier performance. 50MP telephoto lens, 3x optical zoom. With 3x optical zoom and OIS, optical image stabilization, you can get closer to the action while maintaining exceptional clarity. 50MP ultrawide lens. The ultrawide sensor allows you to capture expansive landscapes, group shots, and architecture with little to no distortion. For selfies and video calls, the 32MP front-facing camera ensures sharp and well-lit images, making it perfect for social media content and professional video conferencing. One of the biggest upgrades in the OnePlus Open 2 is its 5,900 mAh battery, providing all-day power even with heavy usage. Whether you're streaming videos, playing games, or using multiple apps, this battery ensures you stay connected throughout the day. With 80W Super VOOC wired charging, the OnePlus Open 2 can charge from 0 to 100% in under 40 minutes. Additionally, it supports 50W wireless charging, allowing you to conveniently power up without cables. For added convenience, the device also supports reverse wireless charging, enabling you to charge accessories like earbuds and smartwatches on the go. OnePlus has refined its foldable design with a sleek and durable hinge mechanism, making the Open 2 even more robust than its predecessor. With IPX8 water resistance, the phone is protected against accidental spills and splashes, providing peace of mind in everyday use. The foldable form factor is designed for versatility, allowing users to use it as a tablet for productivity or fold it into a compact smartphone for daily tasks. The under-display fingerprint sensor ensures quick and secure unlocking, while the premium aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass protection make it sleek yet durable. Running on Android 15 with Oxygen OS 15, the OnePlus Open 2 offers a clean, fast, and highly customizable UI. OnePlus has optimized Oxygen OS for foldable functionality, bringing enhanced multitasking features, including split-screen mode, run 2 apps side by side for maximum productivity. Floating windows, open multiple apps at once in resizable floating windows. Advanced gesture controls, navigate quickly with intuitive gestures. AI-powered smart features optimize battery life and performance based on your usage habits. With regular software updates and security patches, OnePlus ensures that your device remains secure and up to date. The OnePlus Open 2 is a powerful, feature-packed foldable smartphone that offers top-tier performance, an incredible display, and a pro-level camera system. With its Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, 8.0-inch AMOLED screen, 50MP triple camera setup, and 5,900 mAh battery, it is built for those who want cutting-edge technology in a sleek and stylish foldable form factor. For users looking for the perfect blend of power, portability, and innovation, the OnePlus Open 2 is undoubtedly one of the best foldable options in 2025. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the OnePlus Open 2, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest smartphone releases. What are your thoughts on the OnePlus Open 2? Do you think it's the best foldable phone of 2025? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.